The paper would become moistened with coffee that had spilled to the side into the saucer. The cream of the crop.
What? I didn't say that.
A sense of belonging that came when we would the table. We would sit in a booth in the toilet corner.
There was a jukebox there, not a real one, but one on the table that looked like one. It was one, it could have been one, I don't know.
That I did catch it the cream of the crop. Yeah, the cheesecake was good.
Auto Wyckoff. 4.3. It sure is. Because they've been eating the twigs of the Pharisees. They've been eating the hospital.
Choke the shit out of him. Boy, you man. You hear that? Next one you see. I am Dracula. I can turn into a turkey or a scary fish king. I am Count Dracula. My pendant has made me turn into... Just choke his ass. His stupid motherfucking cracker ass. Weird. A weird mouse flying from the top portion of my head. It comes, it takes my head in half and says, now you are mutant, now you are free.
The magic cult. Scientology. The magic cult.
Who wants hamburger shoved up their ass?
Scientology.
Who wants hamburger shoved up their ass?
Scientology. The magic cult. Scientology. 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 Scientology.
Just say what you got, man.
And though the stars are bright, the darkness be taunting me.